Control your inner conversations. This is Mekus with the Continence Club. I am back with another fantastic video. My email's in the description if you need one-on-one help or if you want a video topic concerning controlling your mind to go from your current situation to your desired situation. Let me know what that is and I will work to get that video posted. Today it's all about how you talk to yourself. Let me ask you, how do you talk to yourself? Do you speak life into yourself? Or do you speak death into yourself? Do you raise yourself up or do you lower yourself down, right? How do you communicate with yourself? Do you motivate yourself, right? Or do you hold yourself back? Do you have limiting beliefs? How do you speak to yourself? That's what it's all about in today's presentation. And I promise you, after this presentation, you are going to fully realize the importance of your speech and the way that you talk to yourself, because not any word that you utter goes unnoticed. So everyone has this gift, and the world simply reflects the use of this gift, your inner dialogue. So we're bridging the gap today, talking about inner conversations. That's one huge thing I know is holding you back from your desired situation and keeping you in your current situation. So let's talk about it today. I do know that you're in a current situation that you want to get out of. That's why you're watching this video. That's why you are part of the Continence Club. That's why you might have reached out to me already. That's why you just resonate overall with this message. And it's very possible for you to move from your current situation to your desired situation. You have the ability, the privilege to create the world as you like it to be, but only if you control your mind, which is the foundation of this channel. Controlling your mind to go from your current situation to your desired situation. But today, the issue is that you hold inner conversations with people and situations that you dislike. This is what's keeping you stuck here, because your focus and attention is on negative inner conversations that's creating an outer reality in which you don't like, a outer reality in which you don't feel like you're in alignment with. You see, that's the issue. And as you continue to understand this, for you to bridge the gap today to your desired situation, it's important to know that you always carry your inner conversations, whether you are fully present for them or not. So everything going on inside of you matters. Like I said, it doesn't go unnoticed. Everything going on inside of you is going to reflect in the external world. The way that you think, the way that you speak inside of you is going to reflect. So what does this mean? It means that if you control your inner conversations 24/7 and before you sleep at night, you will bridge the gap faster to your desired situation. So this goes to show that where you are right now, the life that you're living in, all of these things are a direct reflection of how you've been speaking to yourself this whole time. The thoughts that you've been having to yourself this whole time. That's the reason why you are where you at right now. That's why you're in your current situation. I know that might seem like a hard pill to swallow. I know that might even feel offensive. But, it did for me. And I realized, hey, instead of thinking about it like that, I could think about it in a way that shows that this is just a new opportunity for me to change my inner dialogue, to change my current situation. And that's the approach that you have to have in order for you to be successful, because don't take it from me, this is the approach that successful people have. They have more positive inner conversations than they do negative. And so that's why I got to emphasize the questions. What am I thinking now? What am I telling myself repeatedly? What do I believe is true? And I talk about this in my videos, especially this third point. It doesn't matter what is true. Only what you believe is true matters, because over time it will become true, right? Let me say that again. It doesn't matter what is true. The only thing that matters is what you believe is true, because over time it will become true. So as you move closer to your desired situation, observe what you are actually doing on the inside, because it's going to be crystallized in the world around you. And if you don't believe that, start to think about yourself negatively. Start to talk down on yourself within, right? Start to just be a negative person within and watch the external world reflect that. Watch people be disrespectful to you. Watch situations not go your way. Watch for experiences to slip by. Obviously, I don't want that for you, but you can test it for yourself because it's going to happen in real time. And obviously, I don't want you to experience that. I want you to experience the abundance that you want from your desired situation. That's why you're watching me in the first place. That's why you watched up to this point. And so the version of you in your desired situation understands that inner dialogue must align with the wish fulfilled. Think about it. Think of successful people. Matter of fact, don't even think of successful people. Think about the success that you found in your life. A lot of times, the way that you approach the situation was in alignment with what you wanted, and that's why you found success. But this is how you're going to need to approach all the successes that you want in your life. Now that you're conscious and aware of it, right? Your thoughts must be invested and not wasted, because the inner world creates the outer. This is why the version of yourself in your desired situation has a controlled mind. This is why I talk so much about controlling your mind, because that's what it takes. And it goes to show that once you do this, you have control over your entire existence. You know, the saying, speaking into existence, is very real. You know, the words that you utter out of your mouth really do play a part in the life that you experience. So it's all about knowing what you want, engage your inner conversations consistently, right? And then feel as those wishes are a reality. Feel those wishes is happening now. That's why I talk so much about living from the end, the law of assumption. That's why I talk about becoming a character, not necessarily chasing goals, becoming who it is that you want to be, because it's going to be easier for you to follow through with the necessary actions as long as you carry yourself as the person that you want to be, right? Because you will need to fully embody that person that's living in your desired situation. So we go after characters and not goals. So if you're not satisfied with the world that you live in, blame no one, but turn within yourself and change your inner conversations. Instead of you saying, oh, I can't do this, how about you telling yourself, I can? How about telling yourself, how can I get this to happen? Instead of telling yourself, oh, I'm a failure, how about you tell yourself that you're a winner, that everything is working out for your benefit? I literally made a whole video topic on that saying, everything is happening for your benefit. Instead of you saying, oh, I'm a failure, oh, I failed, how about no, I learned very valuable lessons. I didn't fail, I learned valuable lessons, right? This is how you want to talk to yourself. Negativity cannot be a part of your identity anymore. Negativity can't be part of your paradigm anymore. Literally make it impossible for you to speak or think of anything negative, and watch how you start to get lucky. Watch how you start to get put in position to achieve that desired situation. Watch how God is going to present to you the necessary things that are going to get you in alignment with who it is that you want to become. The thing is, this isn't anything new. You've always had the power to inwardly change. And all you need to do is persist, keep your focus and attention on your new inner conversations until where you are absolutely convinced that it's reality, and it has no choice but to externalize itself as your desired situation, right? Your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between what's imaginary and what's real. So if you continue to put into your imagination that everything is working out, that you have achieved your desired situation, that you've become that person worthy of it, right? You fill your mind with all of this, and you fill your dialogue with all of these things. Watch your desired situation externalize itself for you. Watch it come into fruition. Watch it literally happen in real time, right? And it's one of those things, whenever it does happen, you'll realize, okay, hey, I this was all me. This was all in my control. This was my power. This is the power of positive inner conversation. And I don't blame you. It's not your fault by speaking to yourself the way that you do, maybe even putting yourself down. It's really not your fault, because we were brought up as a collective society to focus on the negative things, to watch the news and to be scared of what's going to happen tomorrow, what's the government's doing, or what's happening to the economy. All of these things are the reason why your inner conversations aren't that positive. It's because of the collective consciousness of the society and the way we see things, and what how we're told to see things, right? And it's the reason why so many people struggle, but you've set yourself apart, and that's why I know you're different, and I'm behind you 100%, because it only takes a special person to really watch through and absorb information like this and really want to make a change. So that's how I know you're already going to be successful. I have no doubt about it in my mind that you will be. And just keep up the good work. Other than that, just keep on staying positive. This is Mekus with the Continence Club. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you on the other side. Keep going.